so this morning I am going to make some protein packed dark chocolate flat cake and waffles.
I can do that.
I measured half cup mix and half cup water, and it's perfect. Oh my gosh, that's coffee stains on my counter. Just pretend that's not there. Thank you. Half cup of the mix made 3 small pancakes for me, and that was my choice. I could have probably made 2 big ones, and yeah, it was 6 points for the half cup mix with the half cup water, and I had it with some banana, of course, and I was so mad because I wanted cinnamon on top of the pancakes and my banana, but my cinnamon expired, so that didn't happen. But I did use sugar-free syrup, and yeah, that was my breakfast. 6 points, really good with my iced Americano. And now lunchtime, or wait, snack time. I'm gonna play episode and eat my pretzels with my triangle cheese, okay? So this is what I snacked on when I picked up my daughter from school as I was waiting in the parking lot. For lunch today, I'm having some miso ginger broth. I usually show this, well, like 80% of the time, I feel like. And yeah, it's because it's so true life here. But I'm in a rush. Not really in a rush, I guess, but I'm starving and I want something quick, so I have this, and then I dropped some cilantro chicken wontons by Trader Joe's inside the broth. And yeah, after I drop them in there, it's only 2 minutes and it's done and ready to eat, and I love it. Tastes so good. These are the chicken cilantro mini wontons that I was talking about, just in case you guys were like, what? The soup didn't really fill me up, so I ended up getting some lettuce and cucumber, sliced it up, put it in this glass container, and then I squeezed half a lemon in there, the whole half, and a little bit of sea salt, some tahini, of course, yum. And then I shook that up really well and just poured it on top of my lettuce and added some cracked pepper, and ta-da! And I needed a carb, so I added sourdough bread. The bag smells good. So this is I have it right here. 4 points for 1 serving. And sorry about the TV, they're watching Wreck-It Ralph. And it is 4 ounces. So 4 points. And it's in the oven. And I've got some baked potatoes in the crock pot. Okay, so we've got some frozen onions here that we're cooking up, and then here is the tri-tip. Oh my gosh, so juicy. It's so funny how much it shrinks, right? So got that, and then the baked potato. Mine, I just kept it pretty simple, but my husband wanted me to show you guys his, so you'll see his too, because he just wants to show off he could eat whatever he wants in life. Dinner did fill me up, so I just had one of these mini peppermints from Trader Joe's, 0 points.